how to insert a row after every row in Excel. Let's get started. Let's visualize a data set. Imagine rows of information. Our objective is to insert new rows precisely after certain records within this data set. Our first step involves adding a column to the left of this data set. Right-click, select Insert, and a new column appears. Let's name this column Serial Number. But feel free to choose any name that suits your purpose. Now in the serial number column, input 1 in the first cell and 2 in the subsequent cell. Double-click the small green square in the bottom right of the selected cells or drag while holding the left mouse key to fill the column with incremental numbers. To ensure accuracy, manually cross-check by entering numbers larger than the existing ones at the end of your data set. The aim is to exceed the total number of records you have. In this case, with 10 records, ensure you go beyond this count, say till 11 or higher. Once your serial number column is populated, select the entire dataset, including the numbers in the added column, navigate to the Data tab, and click on Sort. In the Sort By section, choose the serial number column for sorting, ensuring the order is from smallest to largest. Click OK. The data now groups together based on the assigned serial numbers. It creates the illusion of inserted rows without actually altering the dataset. Now you can confidently remove the serial number column, leaving you with a dataset beautifully interspersed with new rows after each record.